Hi everybody, I'm Reed with Little Family Adventure, and today we want to talk about our CampMaid Dutch oven system. Now this is a nifty little product that CampMaid's come out with, and it's an all-inclusive kit, not just a Dutch oven, but it also has a grill set as well as different methods of holding your Dutch oven. You could use it as a pizza oven, you can use it in all sorts of different manners. So as you see me pull out the top, here we've got one of the grill sets. Inside this nice little bag, one of my favorite items is the collapsible charcoal chimney. And we'll talk more about how to start a fire. So inside the chimney collapsible kit is 3 of these fire starter tablets. These things work really, really well when we're trying to get a charcoal started. So as we continue to open up the CampMaid Dutch oven stove, here we've got the lid. Inside we've got the stand, which has lots of features. Okay, so we expand the legs here. We'll set up the tripod for now. We have a lid stand, which comes in extremely handy. And the lid stand comes with a separate handle. The handle here has a little depress button. Just slide those two together until it clicks in, and you can stand that up. The most important part for this system is the charcoal holder. And then finally, we have inside the bottom the Dutch oven itself. So first let's talk about how to set this up as a grill. Now if you look inside here, there's some stamped tabs. The particular one that you want to pay attention to is the one that says number 2. Okay, so if we look at the collapsible legs, each one of the legs has a number, 1, 2, and 3. You want to line up number 2 with the number 2 tab. And simply fold these in just enough where it rests on the tabs inside the leg. And then we're going to take our stand and flip it over the hook. Now we can flip this back around. We want to make sure we level the surface out. We want to make sure the number 2 leg and the number 2 prong on the leg is lined up on the plate that says number 2. Line the other prongs up, and you want to push in on the legs just so slightly so that it sits nice and stable. At that point, we can flip this upside down, and now we've got the top of our grilling surface. So next we move on to what we have with the charcoal tray. Now the charcoal tray has a clamp system that allows you to open and close the system, and it's going to clamp around this center stand. So your charcoal tray has a set of grooves on the inside of it that matches up with the grooves on this holding stand. So as you clamp this in place, just slightly move it up and down a little bit till those alignment pins lock together, and this will make sure your charcoal tray stays in the correct position and doesn't move too much. You can move the charcoal tray up to get the briquettes closer to the grill surface, or you can lower it to decrease the temperature and move the briquettes further away from the grill surface. If I have my charcoals inside and I'm using my grill surface, if I want to add wood chips or anything else to create a smoker effect, I can simply take the base of my Dutch oven here, invert it, and let it set right on top, and this will allow the smoke to stay inside and allow the meat or anything else I'm cooking on the surface here to achieve that smoky effect. So if we want to transform this from a grill surface into a skillet surface, or the bottom for pizza area, what we need to do is we're going to flip this back over, push down on the center to release the grill tray, set that to the side. Then we're going to take our Dutch oven lid, we're going to set it on the table. You want to spread the legs apart a little bit more so that the prongs align to the edge of the lid. Then we're going to push back down, pull the lid surface back up, make sure the legs are aligned with the lip of the lid. Now we can flip the system back over. Now we have the top of the pizza oven. I can take the actual bottom of the Dutch oven, set it over the top, and create an inverted oven effect, or I can also use it for smoking. In order to get our fire back underneath our grill or our skillet surface, we take the charcoal tray, we slide it back up underneath, clamp it around the center stand at the respective level that we want to get the temperature range that we're looking for. So now I want to talk about one of the great features of this entire kit, which is the handle for the lid. So anytime we're using the Dutch oven, safety is always a concern because the entire surface area gets hot. And when the kids are around, they're always trying to grab a hold of it. CampMaid makes this incredible stand and lid holder. Simply slide it up underneath, move it to the side, set it down. It makes it a nice stable area. You don't have to worry about kicking dirt on it or falling over. Very, very sturdy, and it holds the lid secure. So this is CampMaid's Dutch oven system. Click the link below to get your own for 20% off with our affiliate link. Be sure to like our page and give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned as we continue to use the Dutch oven system from CampMaid to provide healthy family recipes and continue on our own little family adventures.